Hi Virgos, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, Virgos. For your daily reading, guys, we are picking few cards. For your love reading, it's going to be like a pick a card. So whichever pile you want to choose, you can choose. Skip to the timestamp. I have given the timestamp in the description and you can watch that video. Don't miss on that reading, Virgos, because it's going to be an elaborate love reading. So let's start with your daily reading first. It's Three of Wands in reverse, King of Wands and Eight of Pentacles. With these cards in your situation, Virgos, I see that you are a person of great knowledge and wisdom. You know what you need to do and you understand any situation clearly. You have that clear perception and you apply your knowledge in your work. You are a very practical person. Whatever path that you choose for yourself, you do it perfectly. You apply your knowledge and you see to it that you do it to the end, complete it, go for that successful completion. And you are a person who holds great authority, maybe someone important in your work. So you may be a team leader or manager, someone a dominating person in your career, so an important person again. So you are making some important decisions for the people around you and people look up to you for your support and they are irresistibly attracted to you. So it may be something in your career because of the way you go about your work, your skill and ability. So they are charmed by your appearance or the way you work, or it may be something to do in your personal life. Many people are attracted to you, your irresistible charm. So you may have many admirers, Virgos. So maybe the way you are, it may be a physical attraction, or it may be for your character or your skills and abilities. And I also see maybe for some of you, if you are having some troubles, maybe some obstacles or delays in your work or something in your personal life, some negative situation, all that is changing today, guys. You will see that things are slowly falling into place and you will see the end of your troubling times, whatever you have today. So that is what I see with these cards, Virgos, for your daily reading. For your love reading, that pick a card reading is coming up right now. You can watch that. Don't miss on that, Virgos. For your love reading, guys, it's going to be like a pick a card. So this is the first pile and this is the second pile. So whichever pile you want to choose, you can think of the questions you have in your mind regarding your situation and close your eyes, meditate for a few seconds, and I will start the reading, guys. Right after that, you can open your eyes and go to that pile which you see first when you open your eyes. So we will start after a few minutes of silence, few seconds, guys, few seconds of silence. So let's start the reading. This is the first pile, guys. I will start with this pile. So I'll be picking one card from this deck. One card readings are very specific, guys. It will answer your questions, what you have in your mind about your situation. So this is the card. So whatever questions you have in your mind, you can think about it. I'll turn the card now. the angel Rasbar. This card comes with a special gift for you guys. So that true gift in life is silence, and true silence is peace. It is the living experience of that divine that has nothing to be received, and it gives itself unconditionally. That silence is present in all of us at all times, and it can be accessed by that beautiful feeling heart. When you know how to feel that silence in your heart, you can surrender to it, and you can transmit it in many ways, and through that peace in your heart, in your daily living, through your presence, you can radiate it. You can radiate this peace around you to the people and to your living circumstances, guys. So this card speaks for peace and happiness to be found within yourself, and this card also comes with a special guidance in your situation today. You are progressing towards your life's purpose and divine destiny. Like a maturing person, you are ready to take up that greater responsibility, and you are stepping up, and you are assuming that responsibility with honesty and empowered expression of your true essence, whatever you are. And you are on the right path. You are making good progress, and although whatever you anticipate may not unfold immediately, it will surely happen, and you are making a positive impact in your situation to the people around you, and you are asked to proceed in this right way, in this right path, and do not give up, do not turn back. You just have to continue, take your steps, your journey, and know that that divine power or that higher power is guiding you all the way, guys. And let it be clear in your mind that this divine power is guiding you with true silence today. So maybe for some of you, if you are making some important decisions, you need to tell it out. Maybe this may not be the time. You have to wait, you have to be silent today and wait for things to unfold in its own natural course. So that is what I would tell you, and you have to remember that peace dwells within you and everything is going well as it should. So that is what I see with this card for your love reading for those who have chosen this first deck, guys. So let's see what is the card with the second deck. For those who have chosen this deck, let us see what is the card. This is the card. So regarding any questions that you have in mind about this relationship, about this situation, guys, you can think about it, and I will turn the card now. Go to the sea. To the sea. So with this card, guys, in your situation today, there are points in a relationship when you have to decide to go with the flow rather than dictate the course you share with another. So can you let go of the needs to have things your way, allow this relationship itself? Maybe it is time you give importance to that other person also. It may not be the way you want this circumstance to go always. Sometimes you just have to have that combined goals and desires for both of you together to steer this relationship. And when you both transcend your personalities. Allow this relationship to form on its own identity, in its own energy. It is the time to relax for you and wait for that mutual journey to take you forward in this relationship, guys. And when certain conditions appear to block you, to block your every moment, it may be really difficult to know what is right for you and what you need to do today. So sometimes when things are just blocking you, you have to just know that things will begin to flow again at the right time. There is no need for you to be worried or alarmed because of that, and you have to stop resisting and fighting against that situation, however your situation is going. So you have to relax and trust in the abundance that is coming towards you, that will reach you very soon, guys. So you have to trust how things are unfolding for you in your life today. So wait for that person, or for the natural course of events to take place. So it may not be up to your expectation, but you have to wait for it. So that is what I see with this card for your relationship, guys, for those who have chosen this deck. And that is the reading for today, guys. Thank you for watching this video. If this reading resonated, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions. I'll see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.